Ever wish your favorite apps could show up right on your lock screen so you can open them instantly when unlocking your phone? On Samsung phones, you can actually do that, and it's super easy. Let me show you how. First, download an app called FineLock from the Play Store. But if you already have GoodLock, you can use that instead. Same function, no difference. Next, inside FineLock or GoodLock, look for a module called LockStar. Install it. Once it finishes installing, open the LockStar module. This will automatically take you to your Samsung lock screen settings. Tap on LockStar again to enter the customization panel. Now select Favorite Apps and turn on Show Favorite Apps. After that, you can adjust the alignment. Set it anywhere you like. Then, choose which apps you want to show on your lock screen. You can add up to 3 of your favorites. When you're done, tap Done to save everything. And boom, your favorite apps are now always visible right on the lock screen. Super quick access, super convenient. If you want more simple Samsung tricks like this, stay tuned because the next ones are even better.